Hi folks and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A15. When you want to take a screenshot, quickly press the volume down button and the power button simultaneously and then release them. The screen will flash, indicating that a screenshot was captured. Second method to take a screenshot. Drag your hand across your screen as if you're scanning your phone. You will then hear a camera shutter or see the screenshot preview at the bottom of your screen. And third method, use accessibility button to take a screenshot. The screenshots are saved in the gallery folder. You can edit and share them very easily. Now I show you how to enable and set the accessibility button. To take a screenshot, enter Settings menu and tap on Accessibility. Now press on Interaction and Dexterity. Enable Assistant menu and press Allow. Tap on Assistant menu. Tap on Select Assistant menu items. Now press the minus sign to remove the items from the button menu. Leave only the screenshot. Now when you press the button, it will take a screenshot. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.